collaboration is hosted by the DIY Mommy. Now, what she asked us to do is do a Christmas themed DIY. So I have been going over and over in my head, what did I want to do for this collaboration? So guys, I did a lot of thinking, and I looked around and I saw something I really wanted to do for my mantle for my Christmas decorations. And so I thought, that's what I'm going to do. So if you're interested in finding out what I came up with, stick around, guys. Okay, guys, so I follow a YouTuber. I will do an iCard up above here with his name and his channel. And I saw him doing a garland using Christmas ornaments. And that is something I wanted, because I went around looking for some, and the prices were like $70 and up on the ones I wanted for the length I wanted. So when I saw him make them and saw his step-by-step guide of how he did them, I decided I would make my own Christmas ornament garland. So guys, here are the things I'm going to use. Okay, the things I'm going to use are these white, glittery, really gorgeous Christmas ornaments. They're shatterproof. I got these from Hobby Lobby. And then I found these beautiful ones, these red and white ones. I'm going to use some of these for the garland, and some will be used in other places of my home for decorations this year. Now, I have some I've already completed. You see this big cylinder here. I have silver. Well, I'll pull out some and show you. I have a shiny metallic silver. Well, a matted silver. No, this is a metallic silver. Then I have the glitter silver, and then I have the glitter gold, and then the shiny gold, all in small. Also, is it with the small ones? No, just in the small. The smalls are glitter and shiny. Okay, and for the larger ones, I have the glitter gold. I have a shiny metallic silver. I have a matted gold and a shiny gold. And then, of course, you saw some similar to this one. These from here, I picked these up at, what's the name of that store? 99cents only. That's where you see all of these came from, the 99cents only store, these larger ones. So, guys, now, what he did was, of course, he separated them, and he's also using pipe cleaner. I have two sets here. One I've already cut down the size. And then the green, what is this, planter's tape? The floor tape. I bought 2 rolls of floor tape. Now, what he did, guys, was, I'll get one of the small ones. He took the long pipe cleaner, and he basically cut them in half. So that's what I did here. I cut these in half. So what he did was he did keep a few long ones, and the long ones, you'll see what they're going to be used for later on. Now, what he did was he attached a pipe cleaner to each globe. So I'm going to show you how he did that. Okay. Now, he took a pipe cleaner he cut, and he put it in the hoop, and of course, you know, he twisted on. Short one. Okay? So, I need another long one. So, and then the same thing for the long ones. Pipe cleaner. Put it through. And twisted it on. Here's a long one. Now, what I thought was interesting, guys, is he took the floor tape here and he attached the floor tape. Let me turn that a little bit more even. He attached the floor tape to this. Now, what he did was he started from the bottom and he held it and he pulled a little tight as he went around the globe, the Christmas ornament a couple of times to make sure that the tape would adhere, and also to cover the silver part of the top of the ornament. Now, this part here is pretty simple. He covered the whole pipe cleaner with the tape as well. I mean, he was really good at it, guys. I mean, I'm trying to speed it up to show you guys how it's done. But he's a lot better than I am at it, because his ornaments, you didn't see any of the silver on the things, but I'm working on improving on that. Yeah, in the cramp in my thumb for some reason. Okay, now it's done up here. Tear it and fill it off. And then he will start back around here, a little bit above the center, the top, and he will work his way back down. To make sure that he covered the silver. But the whole time you're doing this, guys, you need to pull tight. And one thing he did that I did not do to this set was he used a glue gun and attached the silver part to the ornament so it wouldn't come off when you put it together. And I did not do that to these, so that means I have to go get my glue gun, because these are not as tight on here as the one from Big Lots. Now, here it's covered. I have to do all of these, and the majority of the ones I'm going to do here like this. So guys, I'll be back after I finish these and show you how they all turned out. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I started off my garland, and then I'm going to show you the finished product. Now these are going to be some add-ons that I'm going to be using on the corners, I think. Not sure, but they are made up. Now, as you see, I did have the tape on the end and the pipe cleaner. Now, what I did was I took a larger one, then I took my next one, and I measured this way. I left a gap in between the top of this one and the bottom of the next one, and you just twist. Now, what the gentleman did, who I followed, he took tape and he went over here where they were tied at. But I didn't do it that way. So then you take your next one and you do the same thing. You do your own measurements and you twist. And that's how you get your garland started. Okay? But these here, I'm going to do in a totally different way. I'm going to take the larger one. And I'm going to take 3. Excuse me. I want the big one in the middle, so it'll be up higher. It's going to be like a bunch, like this with these. And I'm going to put these together, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do them that way, but you'll see in the end when I do my final reveal on my mantelpiece of how exactly I use these red and white ones. So guys, if you give me a minute, I'll show you how the gold ones and the gold, white, and silver ones turned out. Okay guys, here is my ornament garland. This is a completed project. Yeah, I did a lot. I spread them out, and then I started off doing the big ones first. See, I did gold, white, silver, gold, white, silver. And I did that pattern all the way around with the larger ones. Then I came back with the smaller ones as fillers. So there will be enough garland for me to drape on my mantle when I do my mantle for my Christmas decorations. So guys, if you want to see how this turns out on my mantle, then keep watching my channel. My Christmas mantle will be coming up soon. So just keep a lookout and you can see how I placed my garland. So guys, you know what to do. If you like my video and you like my content, guys, give me a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. Not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please click that subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell. Once you click that bell, a notification screen will appear. It will ask you to send all notifications for this channel. Click the box and then click save. And then guys, you will be notified every time I upload a video. Okay guys, also if you could follow me on my social media accounts, they'll be listed below on the screen and as well down below in the description. And as always guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a blessed day.